what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I thought I'd do kind of a different type of video, just really chill, talking about my hair. So I always get so many compliments and questions talking about how long and thick my hair is, and I thought that I'd just do a little video sharing all the products I use. And this isn't sponsored, these are the same products I've been using since I was like doing my own hair when I was like 10. So yeah. So number one, I think it is mostly genetics. I am Armenian, so that's where my long dark hair comes from. And yes, this is my natural color, except for the fact that I did dye it box dye black a little bit ago. Roll the clip. My hair has always been like a really dark brown. Right now it's just a little darker, like black color, but I feel like it'll fade out and just be my natural color. I tried experimenting with like the ombre and balayage and different colors and whatnot, but my favorite hair on me is my dark hair. Actually, my favorite hair was when I had it, I think I was 14. I had it like a burgundy color and it was super pretty, but it was still pretty dark. So bottom line, love dark hair on me. I love doing my hair myself. I always dye it myself and cut it myself. And yeah, I only go to the hair salon once a year or like every 6 months maybe. But yeah, I don't really go to the hair salon. A lot of people say, oh, to keep your hair long and healthy, you need to like do constant trims. I don't really agree with that because it doesn't really make sense. Like, yeah, it looks healthier when you have a trim. Honestly, I could probably use a trim, but anyways. But yeah, I don't know, I just think the less I cut it, the longer it is, and I just love it long. Like, I hate when I get a haircut. But there are some products that I use that definitely contribute to my thickness and hair growth. So let's get into it. This is not sponsored, but if I ever was sponsored by them, I'd be really happy because I've been using them my entire life. I don't think I've ever used something else. I've tried different brands, but I always come back to the OG Pantene. It doesn't matter what it is, like, this one says classic clean, this one says radiant color and shine. It doesn't matter what the label says. Pantene, like, I've used it my entire life. Ever since I came out of the womb, I've been using Pantene probably. So yeah, it started off with whatever my mom bought me, and then I kind of just continued using it because I don't know, I think it's the best. It lasts a long time, it smells really good, and it keeps my hair healthy. And sometimes I go through phases where I'm not using any other products except for just shampoo and conditioner, and my hair stays healthy. So definitely Pantene. It doesn't matter which one, as I said, but it's the best. So all I use in the shower is Pantene shampoo and conditioner, and then when I get out and my hair is wet, I use this Moroccan oil brand smoothing lotion. I'll try to link everything below, but especially if you blow dry your hair, I just put a little amount of this in my hair, and you can do it when it's dry too, but I usually do it when I get out of the shower. It smells really good. Everything from this brand smells really good, and it works extremely well. So yeah, I just put a little bit of this throughout my hair, and then I could just go to bed, or I'll braid my hair and just have it naturally dry, or I could blow dry it. If I blow dry it, I use this Treseme heat protectant spray. You've probably seen this. I know they sponsor people and like everyone raves about this when they're sponsored, but I'm not sponsored and I'm raving about it. This is my favorite heat tamer. You can honestly use anything, but this has been my favorite one. It lasts the longest, and I just like, you know, how it works. So yeah, definitely heat protectant is really important because it's kind of just like sunscreen, like extra layer protection. And then when I blow dry my hair, I use this one. I'm honestly not sure what brand this is. I just, like, my mom got it for me for Christmas one year, and this is the blow dryer I use. I don't think this really matters to your hair, but I just thought I'd show it because if you want my hair, maybe you want all the products I use. I find it works really good and it dries my hair really fast. So yeah, it's not that important. I think you can use kind of any hair dryer. And my hair is naturally straight, but after I blow dry it, it can be a little frizzy. So I do like to straighten it sometimes and then not wash my hair for a week. I only wash my hair once a week, maybe twice, but the key to having healthy hair, I think, is washing it less than you usually do, because then the oil builds up. Honestly, I have dry hair, so I think that is easier to not wash my hair that much, because I know if you have oily hair, then you have to wash your hair, you know? But if you can, try to wash your hair less. This is the straightener I use. It's from Numi, and honestly, I don't love it, but it gets the job done, so yeah. And then after I blow dry or straighten my hair, this is a key factor. I actually use this every morning, so I don't know why I have such a small bottle. I always buy like the smallest bottle possible, but it is just this Moroccan oil, same brand as the soothing lotion, and I am obsessed with it. It smells good. It makes your hair not oily, but like shiny, like the perfect like, you know, sheen to it. Like you can kind of see, like I don't know if you can see, but my hair is not oily at all. It's like completely healthy and dry. I haven't washed it in like 4 days, but it just looks good because I have this. I just have it all in the ends of my hair. I put like a little penny size amount and then rub my hands together and go all towards the bottoms. This definitely helps if you have like split ends or something, and then I like flip my hair, put it like that, and then do that, and it makes your hair amazing. I use this after I curl my hair, after I straighten my hair, after I dry my hair, every morning. Like it's the best. Speaking of curling my hair, this is the curling wand I use. I am not good at curling my hair. I just like it straight. But when I do curl my hair, this is the one I use. It's the new Me 3-in-1 curling wand. And I like using the biggest barrel when I have long hair, and like the shorter, or like the thinner barrel when I have shorter hair, but I don't think I'll ever have shorter hair again. Unless I'm like a mom. I think the next time I'll cut my hair like short would be when I'm a mom. So pretty much my entire life, I've never had a single tangle in my hair. And I think that's because of the wet brush. Again, I'm not sponsored. I am just obsessed. I have like a million of these. I don't even know where they go. I just bring them everywhere and they are the best. This is what the bristles like. If you guys don't have a wet brush, it is the best investment. I don't even know how much they are, but whatever it is, like it's worth it. Like I never had a knot in my hair, like ever. Or if I do, like it just gets it out right away. Like I am obsessed. My hair is also naturally straight, so that's probably why, but also the wet brush. You can dry your hair with it when it's dry and when it's wet, and it's good for your hair, and it just feels so good, and I am obsessed. I would die for the wet brush. Another thing, I only put heat on my hair maybe once or twice a week, maybe not even that. I think I'm lucky that I have naturally straight hair, because I know if you have different textured hair, it can be harder to style it and use these products, and I think I just got really lucky with my hair genetics. But also I use all those products I mentioned like every single day. But something I do, this is my little secret, okay? It's disgusting, but it'll make your hair grow so freaking fast. And it's gross, but if you want like your hair to grow like 5 inches in a month, maybe not that much, or maybe that much, I don't know. Depends how your hair takes this method, but you mix an egg, olive oil, I think honey, pretty much anything that you Google is good for your hair, like from your kitchen, and you mix it all together and you lather your hair with it all like everywhere. Your hair will grow so fast. I think a certain type of vinegar is good for your hair. Put that in that mixture, put avocado in that mixture, put oil in that mixture, put egg, especially egg. Egg makes your hair grow so fast. And I don't know why, I'm not a scientist, but I kind of just figured this out from trial and error and just researching on Google, like kitchen products that are good for your hair, and I mix them all together and I put them in my hair. I do this like every once in a while, and it's really gross and messy and it gets everywhere. But if you do that like once a month, you will see your hair grow so rapidly, I promise you. Sometimes I'll put it in one of those little like hair dye bottles and just squirt it all over my hair, and then like wrap it up in like a plastic bag, or just like keep a bun on top of your head while you watch a movie or something, and then wash it out or keep it on overnight. I hate doing that though, because then the oil gets all over my like pillows and it's a mess. But yeah, definitely recommend doing like a DIY hair mask every once in a while, and you will see the most insane rapid growth in your hair. I've also heard that the Olaplex hair mask is really great too, but I haven't tried that. Maybe I will try it and see what I think about it. But yeah, I think the best advice I could give would be to just leave your hair alone. Like don't cut it or dye it for like a year. Use these products that I shared in this video in that hair mask method, and your hair will grow insanely fast and long and thick. But yeah, don't really know what else to say about this topic. If you guys have any questions about other things or products I use, I really don't use any other products. Like I literally can't think of anything else, except for the fact that this year is the year of natural hair. I think everyone's dyeing their hair naturally. What it was, like a lot of fake blondes are going back to their natural like brown roots, and just I think it's gonna be really pretty just seeing everyone's natural hair this year. Whoa, I just saw the craziest Tesla. But anyways, yeah, I think that's it. I've been going on for a while talking about this, so hope you guys found it helpful, and I want to see your results. if you use my hair method. So yeah, anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.